I'm Ariana, and I'm talking with my friend. We're just doing this challenge and who can save their money. Like, so, say hello. I'm sorry you can't hear her. Like, if you can't hear her clearly, I'm sorry. Like, I'm talking in my house phone, so, some reason, YouTube won't let me live stream, and it's kind of weird, so, yeah. What you gonna do? What do YouTubers do when they, exactly that. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I wish, Moonshot Planet didn't have, like a limited amount of, like, you can have as much space as you want for, like, typing. I can't get anything out, like, get on your main account. Dance. Make your dance. Yeah, make dance, like your dance person, make that your main account. Yeah. But anyway, basically our challenge is you have to last 2 weeks without spending your money, and then you can only buy one thing right now. Then it starts. Like, I went into the item store and then I found a whole bunch of stuff that I wanted. Like, now I'm, like, really mad. And it's kind of weird because I'm going to be with my money and looking all around, looking at all this stuff that I can't buy. That's great, isn't it? Oh my god! Like, this YouTube channel, oh my gosh. Oh my god. This could literally be my life. Like, I would set up my whole room. I should, I don't know. Hello? I was like, did I go over my limit? I don't think we have a limit. I'm just saying this because my first time we had a limit. So. What do you mean? Oh! You have to have a screen recorder. I use Screen-O-Matic. Like, Screen-O-Matic is good, but I'm like confused. I don't know how to live stream, like, YouTube. Please tell me how to live stream. I'm confused. I don't know. And people, wait, what? I have a question. What the heck? Why are people talking about codes? Like, I know what they mean, like the code for like VIP, but why? Okay. Like, when I try to live stream, it won't even let me, like, I'm confused, like, what are they telling me, what do I have to do? Please tell me, what do I have to do? I'm gonna go for this later. Anyway, I'm looking like a real boss. Like, are you here? Okay, I was like, I'm so on my. I'm getting random, what's it called? What is it called? Autographs. No, I'm getting random autographs, people. Like, I don't even care who you are, I'm just gonna give you random autographs. Oh, you're famous. Yeah? My main character? I'm done. You're on dance? Wait, you're on dance, girl? I don't know. I don't see you. This is kind of weird. I think it's lagging, because my computer is such a lag. Like, I can't go anywhere without my computer. I'm refreshing right now. Okay. I'm in, thank you. God, huh? I can't hear you. You have to go? You have to go at what? Okay. Okay. Until 8:40, wait, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Yeah, my computer is wrong. It says it's 8:46 and it's been like that for a couple of, oh, dang, it just changed. Let's talk to a random. Let's give you a greet. I mean, I can't talk today. Like, I don't even, did y'all see that? Did y'all not see that? Let me tell you how to make it. Good night, you leaving right now? Oh, I was about to say, oh, dang. But, I'm gonna show you how to make your piggy bank disappear. You gotta open it and then you gotta click friends. Then it's gone, so if you think it's annoying, you just get rid of it. Yeah, I see you. Oh, yeah. Did you get my gift? Yeah. And a hat? Yeah. it wagon. Like, I don't even see the outfits I gave you. Oh, yes, I did. I did. Okay. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna send you a look and click weird, so what? Hello? Okay. Oh my person's like a straight up goth. Who did I give my black shoes to? Like, my diamond pack black shoes. Who did I give that to? I think I gave those to Camille. My treat. I haven't treated. Given. Hold up. I'm not come shopping with you, but hold up. Dang, I gave her. Oh. Look at my braces. She looks so goth. I'm gonna choose a different outfit. No. Don't tell anybody, no. I'll make this shirt. Dang, so loud. You see my belly button? I'm gonna put all this in my wish list. And then buy it all later. After 2 weeks. Isn't this outfit cute though? I know. I know. What? You got my outfit on. I'm done. Gala. Oh! Dang, I was looking for shorts and then I was in dresses. 14-minute video!